How to verify TimeBcks account to receive your payout? In this video, we will learn verifying our identity on TimeBcks. It is an important step to make sure that you have the best experience on that platform. Subscribing to my channel is like opening a door to endless possibilities. Subscribe and let's explore. You must verify your ID in order to receive your payout. Click here to verify your ID. Now I clicked here to further process. Step 1. Photo with paper. It is compulsory. Take a photo of yourself with a mobile phone or any camera, holding a piece of paper with the word TimeBcks written on it, with your face clearly in view. As you are seeing a picture of someone who is about to apply for verification. Now I have uploaded this picture in step 1 successfully. Step 2. Government issued ID. It is optional. Upload a government issued ID such as your driver's license, passport or student card. As you are looking in pictures as under. There is a picture of driver license. And there is a picture of passport. Or there is a picture of student card. I mean one among of them you have to upload. Now I have uploaded my ID card as the government issued it. Step 3. Facebook profile. It is optional. Submit a link to your personal Facebook profile. Your account must not be set to private and must be public. Viewable. I have copied and pasted my Facebook profile link in it. Now I am rechecking all steps again to finish my process and going to submit it for approval. Now I checked and submitted it for approval. The messages show as under. Your application is pending approval. You will receive an email and a notification when it is approved. Thanks for watching.